So this is our creme brulee cookie. I'd say this is probably our first viral item.
Okay.
It is just like a standard cookie.
Okay.
And then in the middle is a creme pat that, when it gets baked, is still soft. So like,
holy moly.
Yeah, so like a creme brulee.
Yeah.
And then we sugar the tops, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna brulee them.
I'm super excited.
All right, are you ready to burn some cookies?
Yes, that sounds excellent.
These are the cookies that they look like after they've been baked.
Okay.
And I have gone ahead and sugared these. So I'm gonna do a tray, and you'll do a tray.
Oh no, then we get a Pepsi challenge. That's even worse.
Yeah. So we can see how well you do.
Great.
We just take a blowtorch, and I like to move in sort of small motions around.
Yeah.
And then what we're doing here is you get a nice sort of crisp caramelized crust on the outside. Go ahead.
Okay.
Don't set it on fire is the key.
Yeah, that's quite good. You're hired.
We've still got Oh God, that's so satisfying. Oh, it really does crack.
Yeah.
Oh God. That's outrageous.
You're gonna share?
No. Oh man. I mean, the cookie itself is also spectacular, but
Thank you.
it's like salty, but you get that lovely kind of, I mean, it really plays the name, right? Creme brulee, that rich creaminess, but with the contrast of that, like, you know, burnt sugar note.
Yeah.
This is like stupendous. Talking about stuff that like demonstrates like the great aspects of London's kind of food scene at the moment. It's, as you say, lots of influences from everywhere, care for what you're doing, but also just like, there is a particular twist to this that feels so London.
Yeah.
And
It's a bit irreverent, like there's kind of like a tradition involved with it, but also, you know, we're having fun with it.